Hello everyone and welcome. In this home practice session, we're going to explore Setu Bandha Sarvangasana, and I'm going to show you two variations using 3 wooden bricks. You can use foam bricks as well. We prefer to use wooden bricks because they're a little bit sturdier. So you take your first brick and you place it at the wall, and the short end of your mat is at the wall. Place it at the wall so it's centered on its first elevation. Then have your other 2 bricks and just check that they're the same size. You're going to place them together like so underneath the sacrum. Okay, so just place those off to the side for a moment. With bent knees, come down to lay on your spine and then extend your legs until the soles of the feet are into the wall. In Setu Bandha Sarvangasana, for this variation, we want to have our feet at the wall and our legs straight with support underneath the sacrum, which will be the bricks. So to do the measurement, you take this brick and you place it beside your hip so that it's about sacrum height. Okay, then you can have your other brick ready to go. Bend your knees, bring the feet to the floor, lift your hips up, and then take your bricks and place them underneath the sacrum. The sacrum is above the tailbone, but below the lumbar area on the back. Then you can do your measurement. Bring one foot into the wall, onto the bricks, heels onto the bricks, followed by the other. Now at this point you can make any adjustments you need to, but usually that measurement that we did does help us to get this proper distance. Okay, at this point, you can see how I'm on the shoulder blades. Start to roll and tuck the shoulders underneath of you so that you start to come onto the tops of the shoulders. This is how we get this nice arch in our Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. Then you can interlace your fingers around the bricks. Again, roll the upper arms out, tuck the shoulders under, press the wrists down, forearms down, and the outer upper arms down. Also press the outer shoulders down and move the shoulder blades into the back so that the sternum starts to move up towards the chin. And then you can press your thighs down and you can change the interlace. Okay, so that's one variation. The second variation, for those that are a little bit more open or have longer torsos, you're going to take your first brick, place it on its lowest elevation, and you can see that it's lengthwise or vertical facing the wall. Then you take your other brick, you really lift the hips up, and again you place it underneath the sacrum. Then you can adjust the bottom brick so that the top brick is supported by the bottom brick. Again, tuck the shoulders under, and then you can check your measurement, bringing the soles of the feet to the wall and heels on the brick. Again, you could interlace your fingers and all those same actions. Press the thighs down, press the wrists down, forearms down, outer arms and outer shoulders down, and you tuck and roll the shoulders under to get that spreading and opening in the chest. And you can see this is a bit of a deeper arch. Okay, then to come out, you can release. You can also interlace your fingers the other way. Before you come out, you bring the feet to the floor. Then you can lift the hips up, remove that first brick, slide the bottom brick out to the side, and then you can release your sacrum down slowly, moving the tailbone towards the wall as you do so. And then just draw your knees in towards your chest, interlacing the fingers around the top shin to let the back release. So you can hold that for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever works for you and your practice. Happy practicing, and namaste.